Traveling with kids plus grandparents, here's how it went. It's the CurlyQ Family Adventures. On our way down to South Carolina, Myrtle Beach, and we're heading to the Breakers Resort, which we're really excited. But right now we're at a rest stop in North Carolina. If you don't picnic for your rest stops, you're doing it all wrong.
Hello.
Hi.
So what we got for lunch today?
Your Crop chicken salad.
Gotta have the chicken salad.
Watermelon, crackers, fruits, baby puffs, and candy.
Yep.
Gotta have candy.
Gotta have candy, gotta have the fresh fruit, and you gotta have the chicken salad. If you don't make homemade chicken salad, you have to get Crop's chicken salad.
Applesauce, brownies, cookies, lemon cookies.
Nice. And if you have tummy issues like I do on trips, having a nice meal like this makes life so much easier when you get to your destination. We stayed at the Breakers Resort in Myrtle Beach. And the room specifically that we got was the Paradise Oceanfront Deluxe 1-bedroom queen suite. And for our family of 5 with 3 adults and 2 kids, ages 5 and 7, it was so spacious. This suite is located in the Paradise Tower, and we were all the way up on floor 15. And as we go further into the tour, you're gonna see a true oceanfront view. Head into the suite, you're gonna see a 1-bedroom with 2 queen beds, and then a separate living area that includes a full-size Murphy wall bed and a sleeper sofa. Everyone had their own space, which made a huge difference, especially traveling with kids. We also had 2 HD flat-screen TVs, which was super nice for winding down at nighttime. As you can see, there's plenty of storage here. We were able to fit my clothes, my daughter's clothes, my son's clothes, my mom and dad's clothes perfectly in the closet and the dresser. This closet is where you'll find the extra sheets and blankets, as well as the safe if you need it. As far as amenities, the suite includes complimentary Wi-Fi, which was great for keeping all our devices connected. Now heading over to the galley kitchen, which is such a bonus. It comes with a stove, refrigerator, microwave, and basic cookware and utensils. I always love having the option, especially for snacks, quick meals, or even just storing drinks. You could find Grande here every morning making us a nice big breakfast. It really felt like a home away from home, but with a much better view. Now let's talk about pricing, because this was honestly surprising in the best way. For this time of year, rates can be as low as $123 per day, bringing the total to about $752 for the stay, which is really reasonable for an oceanfront suite that sleeps up to 8. And they actually have some really great specials going on right now. There's a summer sale where you can save 15% on your stay, a bed and breakfast option that includes a daily buffet breakfast for 2 at Papa's restaurant, and even a deal that includes a $20 daily gas credit, which is a super nice perk, especially when you're driving like we did. Overall, this stay was such a good balance of fun for the kids and a little bit of rest for me too, which if you're a mom, you know it's not always easy to find on a vacation. It was comfortable, convenient, and honestly just made our whole trip feel easier. They were so sweet, they even gifted us some snacks and goodies for the kiddos and these adorable plush toys. I also really appreciated how functional the layout was. Nothing felt cramped or awkwardly arranged. Well, actually the bathroom door was a little tight, but I love how it gave everyone their own little space while still feeling connected as a family. And then the balcony. The private oceanfront balcony is definitely a highlight. We spent time out there just soaking in the view, watching the water, and enjoying a slower pace for a bit. It was comfortable, convenient, and honestly just made our whole trip feel easier. And I'll say it again, bringing the grandparents, best travel hack ever.
And a blue turtle and a
Alligator or T-Rex?
T-Rex.
Breakers Resort was the perfect home base for our week in Myrtle Beach. And this was just day 1. Next up, beach days, pool fun, and all the family vacation memories. Good night for now.